Now we're going to show you some of the functionality of using your charting within CTS and explaining how to set it all up. Now the very first thing I've got is I've got an S&P E-mini 500, S&P 500 30-minute candlestick chart. Now where you can change this is the drop down menu. If you do not have candles, sometimes in the default settings it pulls up as a bar chart. All you have to do is just come to the drop down menu right here, scroll down and select candlestick chart, and then from there we focus on a 5-minute time frame. You can see just to the right of that it says 30 minutes. Scroll down here, select 5 minutes, and we'll discuss in later videos what each one of those candles represents, but for right now we just want to get your chart set up and show you how to do it. Everything within your charting system is going to be a right click. If you right click on this and you want to reload chart, you want to change the properties of your chart, you want to select studies or different things on there, which I'm going to show you how to do that. By clicking on that, this brings up multiple studies here. And at this point, what we really do focus on is our exponential moving averages. If you select that and click add, it will place a moving average on the chart for you. Now what I like to do just for ease of use is right click. We're going to add 3 moving averages here, so you can see I've got 1 selected. I come back and do that 2 additional more times. Once I have all those moving averages selected, I then come to the moving average, right click on it, and go to properties. In the properties tab, you'll see now a separate box will pop up in the corner. Open this box up so you're able to see exactly what's in there. Once you've got that, you'll see again candlestick, 5-minute chart, S&P 500, and then you'll see here that I have my 3 moving averages listed. The very first thing we'll do, come to the top one, and we're going to change the period to 300. I'm going to explain what these are in later videos, but just come change that to 300 and then select a color. Just for ease of use, we're going to set them all up the same, so the 300 will be purple. If you saw that where that was in the drop down box, it's just this purple one over here in the corner. And we're going to change that line thickness to 3 so we're able to see that. The second one, you're going to come down to periods. We're going to change that to 50. And then scroll over here to colors, and we're going to use blue. So you come over here to blue, select blue, change that to 3 as well to give you line thickness. The final one we're going to leave at 10, so we will not have to change that, but we'll come over to here and we want to change that color to green, just so we've got ease of use there, and we're going to change that line thickness to 3. So right there we have 3 separate moving averages. Again, everything in this area is off of the right click. You can just come in here, go to studies, select those, and then once you've got them, save them in the properties tab. Once you have those saved and this is out, you'll notice how it will give you account, S&P, account, and if you slide it far enough, S&P as well as general. To make sure that you save this as your default and save a copy, select this, select that. You can also give it a name if you like. We're just going to call this Momentum Trading Group. So we're going to save that as a copy, save as default. And then to come off of that screen, all you have to do is just select off the chart. That will put your moving averages on there. The other thing that you're going to want to do is right up here in the top corner, it's got active as selected. We're going to go ahead and change that to September 2014, which is our current month. We'll see that drop off, and then this will be changed to December here very, very quickly, but you'll see all of those across the top. Thanks guys, that's just the basics of how to set up moving averages on your chart. Again, we'll have more explaining what each of those mean, as well as the candlesticks in later videos. Thank you.